these headers over here, we actually have to do more than just remove the nut that attached. We gotta remove the stud as well, or else it's not gonna be able to like come right out.
WM use this.
Yeah, and then they replace it with this one over here. Nice, very nice. Just so that you don't have your car in the air and then you gotta go ahead and buy parts. This stud is an E8. E8. E as an elephant, the number 8. So, plan for that.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now.
So just to go ahead and give you guys a little heads up for what we've done so far on that side. We went ahead and removed the mount, this mount over here on that side. Went ahead and removed the starter. Starter was removed, and obviously it's in the way. And over on this side, we still haven't. Ow! Whoa. For this side over here, we still haven't taken much apart. We've loosened the motor mount, raised the engine just a little bit, and we're gonna get started on this side in a second. So far, just got the header out on this side. Keep in mind, these studs, they do need to be removed. They're gonna be replaced with some bolts.
All I do is rap though. Want me on your song? Throw a couple stacks, yo. Woo! Everybody wanna do the same thing, yo. That's why we ain't on the same page.
Heads up, we did raise the motor about 1 inch, 2 inches. It's not really to get the header out, but only to get the mount out of there. Once that mount is out of there, we can go ahead and start getting those studs off, getting those bolts off. Don't forget to take the starter out. And yeah, then we're gonna go on to the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and get you guys a montage for this side.
Flow like water, so I'm going mainstream.
Left side in. She's looking beautiful. Put our O2 sensor right over here. Gotta connect the extension to that O2 sensor. And all that's left now for this side is just go ahead and torque everything down. Get it nice and tight. We are gonna have to throw back on this guy right over here. A little engine mount. And yeah, that's pretty much the only thing that we removed from this side. This side wasn't too hard. Pretty easy, pretty easy. Now let's go ahead and get this side started. Gotta connect the starter once we install the manifold. And yeah. So yeah, remember when you're installing this gasket, the flange on the gasket is gonna be outwards. So on the back side, there's nothing, it's flat. But on this side, there's a little dent. So make sure that that dent is gonna be facing outside towards the manifold. All right, so here's something pretty cool about this manifold over here. This exhaust manifold actually has these little grooves over here. So all that you got to do is put in the bolts for your gasket only at the top, okay? Only at the top of the gasket. Once you put them in, this goes inside. You're just gonna screw in these bolts just a little bit, and then this is gonna like hook right on. And that's when you start tightening it and getting it done.